Hello, welcome back. So this here, you see this? This is where my faithful assistant loves to dry her face when she comes in the house, or after she eats a treat, or if somebody messes her hair up. This is where she likes to rub on. So I had seen a cleaning pack, and I want to see if it works. So it says that you can clean this with dryer sheets. I have GAINZ, and I also picked up some off-brand these. So let's see what happens. Let's try one of these first. Off-brand. There's really not a good way to grip these. Whoa, guys, no fooling. These are the cheap generic ones, more or less. Oops. No way to grip it. You don't even have to scrub it. Unbelievable. Wow. I wonder what it's like with a GAINZ. Let me finish this. It smells so good. It's so hard to hold. I cannot believe this works. Alright, I'm going to try the GAINZ one. But you can feel the difference in the material. Oh my gosh, these smell so good too. Yeah, so, you want to do some spring cleaning on your furniture? Holy shiznit, guys. Go to the Dollar Tree or a Dollar Anywhere, a discount store, and pick up a whole bunch of these fabric sheets. Unless you have another idea, another way. I cannot believe. Wow. Alright. Let's go on the other side. It's so crazy. Let's try it from this end. Just need to find a way to grip these things. Don't forget to do the whole thing. Wow. This blows my mind. So now I just kind of got a grip like that. And it smells phenomenal. I guess it's kind of like dry cleaning it, right? Look, you can see where it just has to go. It's so hard to grab. I am amazed at that. I just want to make sure I did the whole thing. You can see the dryer sheet is cleaner and cleaner. Oh, I'm throwing stuff. Oh, popping nails off. Unbelievable. You guys. Yeah, so try it. Let me know what you think. Can't believe it. I'm gonna get a after photo. Oh, okay, so before I end this video, and I'm going to end it before I finish the whole thing, but I'm going to do the whole thing, you guys. Here's the finished product on this side, and I'm going to take a picture of it, and if you're like, well, I'm not really sure if I can see a difference, let me show you. Looks like it's running. Big difference. Holy wow. Yeah. Give it a try. If you like these types of videos, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If you try this, let me know. Oh, I'm super excited. And it smells amazing. You guys, I hope you have the best day ever. Don't forget to check out my membership levels. I offer 4 of them now. Coffee Club, Wildflower, Bohippianlife, and Coffee and Crumpets. You guys have the best day ever. I'll see you in the next video.